So the cylinders, they're a little bit trickier. When you cut them out, if you can keep them attached, that would be great. If they fall off, it's really okay. I have noticed that with the cylinders, it is going to be tape that will be your best friend. You can use glue, glue is fine, but tape seems to really do the trick. One thing about the cylinders, remember that when you are drawing on them, if you haven't done so already, this is the top, this is the bottom, so whatever you want to create in here, when it rolls up, it's going to roll up this way, okay? Another thing you can do is take your paper, might be hard to see, but you can roll it on the edge of your table. Try to put it over a little bit, but if you take it and kind of roll it on the edge of your table, it starts to round it a little bit, and that can help. So where it says glue, you can take your glue, put a little glue on here. I'm using liquid glue, glue stick would work. Just try to make sure that when you roll it up, you are lining up black line to black line, okay? You're not pulling this over anymore. Really try to line it up so that when you do these flaps, it's kind of the right size. So fold all of these tabs in like this. And again, if that's still connected, that's great because it'll just kind of hold it right in place. If that becomes disconnected, don't worry about it. If it doesn't quite fit, you can start to fold these in, squish these in a little bit more, pull the tabs forward, and gently just tuck it in like this. Now here's the part that the tape becomes the best friend. If you have tape, which I do, you can just put a little bit on the edge. So line it up. Oops, that little guy's coming out. I know, these aren't the easiest ones. I applaud you for trying. Put the tape on the edge like this. Get another piece of tape. And start to do it that way. Now, what if you do not have tape? If you do not have tape, you can do your best to put glue on all of these little tabs. The most important thing in this situation would be to make sure that they are pulled out so that the glue is going to stick on the inside. Because if they're squished down like this, then they're not going to stick to anything. You're just going to have glue that's just sitting there. So put glue on all of those. And you could do glue and tape. I've done that too. Pull these out just a little bit to make sure. Tuck it in. And then give it a little hug on the sides. Now this is liquid glue, so it doesn't stick as quickly, but again, it could stay like that and then the glue will dry, but I do think that the tape would be the best bet. So I would have to leave that sit for a little bit and let that dry. You can come up with other ways. If you have another way to do it, that's fine with me, but that is one way to do the cylinder with the tape on one side, that's the glue on the other side. Oops, it's coming undone because I'm touching it. I need to let it sit to dry. Okay, so hope you guys got it. I know this is the last step and I know it's hard, but I believe in you. And remember, most important thing, enjoy and stay creative. Bye guys.